Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to open a PDF file on Microsoft Word step by step. Whether you need to edit or just view a PDF in Word, this method will help you do it easily. So let's get started. Step 1. First, you need to open File Manager, also known as File Explorer. This is where all your files and folders are stored, including the PDF file you want to open. Step 2. Now, navigate to the location where your PDF file is saved. It might be in your Downloads folder, desktop, or any other location where you saved it. Step 3. Once you find the file, right-click on it to open a menu with different options. Step 4. From the menu, look for the option that says Open With, and click on it. This allows you to choose which program you want to use to open the file. Step 5. If Microsoft Word is not listed in the initial options, click on Choose Another App to see more choices. Step 6. To find Microsoft Word, click on More Apps. This expands the list of available applications. Step 7. Scroll through the list until you see Microsoft Word. Click on it to select it as the program to open your PDF file. Step 8. After selecting Microsoft Word, click OK to confirm your choice. The PDF file will now start opening in Word. And that's it. Now you can view and edit your PDF file in Word. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.